Hello and welcome to this Python tutorial series. We are studying Python data structure set. In today's video, we will see Python set method update. Update method takes a iterable as a parameter, performs the union of the member of the iterable with the set element and update the set. Let's cross check. First we will create a empty set. S1 is equal to, we call the set function to create a set. So we have created an empty set. Now we will see information regarding the update method. S1.update question mark, and you can see it updates the set with union of itself and others. In this case, others is the iterable which it has received in its parameter. This is a built-in function or method. Now we run the update function S1. So we require a iterable. So we create a iterable S2 containing arbitrary number of elements 10, 20, 30. Remember S1 is empty and S2 contain 10, 20, 30. Now we update set S1 which gets a iterable S2. Click on the cell, run the cell and check the status of S1. You can see S1 contains 10, 20, 30 now. Suppose you have a list L1 which is a iterable. Member of this list are heterogeneous element. One is a string and one is a float. What will be done? Elements of this list will be taken and it union with S1 if S1 calls the update method with list. Remember, list members are used or list elements are used. List is not used directly as a member of set element, therefore it is allowed. And you are creating a tuple T1 which is containing elements like 2.5. I have deliberately used a repeating element so that the set should perform union and only one copy of the member element will be represented, and use another tuple inside it because tuples are allowed inside set. Now in this case we will use L1 and T1 to union with S1. So we run S1.update method. In the parameter we pass T1 and L1. Will take members of T1, members of L1, performs it union with members of S1 and updates set S1. Set S1 has been updated. We check the content of S1. You can see it contains all the members and repetition is not allowed. 2.5 was represented singly. What happens if you are updating a set with a dictionary or a string? If it is a dictionary, keys are unioned with set members. If it is a string, individual element of the string will be unioned with the set member. For example, if you have a dictionary D1 containing key value pairs, first key 1 has a value 1, comma second key 2 which has a value 2. You have created a dictionary D1 and you are also creating a string str1 which contains a string Python. In this case, individual element will be unioned. S1 dot update and we pass it as a parameter D1 comma str1. Check set S1. You can see individual element py, thon and key1, key2 added to previous element of the set S1. Repetition is not allowed as the set is unordered, therefore the elements are used in arbitrary order. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Do hit that subscribe button for more such technical content. See you in the next video.